forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Umenier Owetiski.
Sibos.
Tango Menier.
Rise.
Angemnandi Menier.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, Steve.
Ubone kanjani mama?
Before sifike lapho ne.
Sha.
Bengihlele duze kwakho during igame ne.
Yes.
Okay. Ngicela utshela abantu ne. Kune player eli1 engithe li-check.
Yeah.
Meqala igame. Ubale uplay.
Number 47 Silepe.
Silepe ne. Alright. Ibiqonda ukuthini lonto Steve. Ibiqonda ukuthi today interview yami based ku Silepe kuphela.
Only the play.
Alikho elinye play ngizokhuluma ngalo today.
Mshange profile.
Yeah.
Khuluma ngaye Menier.
Alright.
Khuluma ngaye Menier.
Okay, Steve.
Sure.
Kuna something esibiza ngokuthi Silinde lezi ntwana lezi.
Yeah, hayi angeke zikuhluphe ungawari Menier.
Right. Okay. Kuna something esibiza ngokuthi receiving underneath.
Receiving underneath.
Yes.
What does that mean?
All right. As checking last year. Bekunezizathu sokuthi ngithi checker uSilepe the way adlala ngakhona. Angitshelanga ukuthi mchecke ini.
Yeah.
All right, as checking so. If sikhuluma nge-receiving underneath ne. Sikhuluma ngento so. Unfortunately i-coaching board anginayo mara ngizozama ukuthi ngishaya ama-side. Let us say i-player ephethe ibhola iface kuwena ne.
Yeah.
So wena as i-player ufuna ukureceive always kumele ube so.
Yeah.
Ube in line. Leli player lephethe ibhola li so. And then wena ofuna ukureceive kumele ume kanje ne. Okay, ake sisebenzisa amagama abadlali. Lesa seyibhola likudlamini ukabelo dlamini uface ipali lethu ne. So ukuze uSilepe receive underneath kumele enze njani? Kumele bekwi position so enze sure ukuthi uface baqondene nodlamini face to face ne. Lesa say maybe umaswanganye ibhola uliphethe kule direction le ngala, which means uSilepe kumele bengala. Opposite side.
Parallel.
Yes. Ake sithi mhlawumbe ibhola likubani likumabasa.
Yeah.
Which umabasa central, which means uSilepe kumele ebe kanjani? Kumele embheke emehlweni embone. So leyo nto siyibiza ngokuthi receiving underneath.
Yeah.
Awe masterisha leyo.
He's a master. Yok receiver underneath.
Angifunanga ukutshela ngamasibomo ukuthi why ngithi mbheke. But coming to i-game ngimbona ukuthi uyiqalile igame.
Sha.
Bengifuna ukuyichecka lo nto ukuthi uyimasterisha kanjani. Hayi is top.
It's top.
Yeah, top. Receiving underneath.
Akhona kuyifalter.
We pause. Always ume receive ball. Yena lo muntu asuke efuna ukureceive again usuke emfaceile so.
Eye contact.
Even to uya change uma so.
Yeah.
Always uhleze in line ukuthi uyambheka kuphi. Top still.
Okay.
Top kakhulu still. Remember ngithena today interview yami based kubani? Silepe ne? Asibuyeleni last year.
Khuluma naye.
In order to be more effective as a footballer ne.
Yeah.
Nazi izinto eziyi4 kumele uzenze.
Sure.
Number 1, you need to understand your position
as a player.
You need to understand ama potential possibilities kwi position yakho ne.
Yeah.
Again, you also need to understand ama dangers position yakho.
Yeah.
Ukuthi if le position engidlalayo imapha ama dangers akho ne. Number 2, you need to communicate.
Yeah.
Even if awukho kwi position yebhola kumele wenze njani ucommunicate. Izinto ezisimple
basic.
Yeah, make it 10 okanye shaya 10, half 10.
Yeah.
Ngikhave.
Yeah.
Lawo ma basics ngawo ne. All right, AS3 esizobuyela kuyona after i-communication. You need to play it simple okanye keep it simple. Make a simple pass. Make a simple through ball, ne? AS4, be aware of your surroundings. Just because you are not in position of the ball, it doesn't mean you must relax, ne? you need to be aware of your surroundings to avoid being caught out of position, ne? All right. Here is why Sithibo ngikubalela zonke lezi zinto.
Talk to me.
Number 1, uSlep understand the position yakhe.
All the time.
Understand ama-danger. Remember today benginamakhawula benginambatha.
Yeah.
Understand ukuthi kuleya position leya kuyona i-crucial driver. Remember bengitshela ngama-zone last game.
Sure.
uSlep understand ukuthi if elahla leya position kune-danger ezokwenzeka ngemuva. Right?
True.
Which means if ngithi understand your position ngiqonda ukuthini? If you understand the position yakho oyidlalayo nama-dangers ayo uzo-avoida ukwenza ama-unnecessary movements nama-runs because we understand ukuthi nawo ama-dangers esinawo. Right? Size kwi-communication. Le ntwana iya-communicate. Always iya-communicate. Bengimbhekile. Obviously angeke umuzwe because sikuma-stands but the way even ama-sign awashayayo i-communication yakhe njani i-top. Ne? Size ku-number 3, keep it simple okanye play it simple.
Yes.
Remember ngikutshele ngani nge-receiving underneath. Always uSlep receiver uya-receiver, it's a touch uku-receiver bese yaphasa. Uphasa la face khona.
Master.
Play where you are facing.
Naleyo is important.
It's very important. And then layers 418, be aware of your surroundings. uSlep utop ngescanning. Of the ball movement yakhe uya-understand ukuthi okay kumele ahleze njani, kumele ahleze escanning. So ilezo zinto Sithibo kumele uyibambe ezi-player ezi-4 to be more effective.
Very important.
Remember ngithe ngizokhuluma ngobani today?
Silebe number 47.
Asibuyeleni lana ke. Remember ngakutshela ngama-4 pillars of development.
Ngikhumbuze.
Number 1, it's technically development. Tactically development.
3.
Physically development. Psychologically development. Asibuyeleni kwi-technically development.
Unazo zonke lezo.
Under i-technical development si-checka i-passing and receiving. Ne? Check i-passing kaSlep. Top. He can play it short, he can play it long. Uyakhona ukubreaka nama-lines. Asicheck i-receiving yakhe. I-receiving yakhe ibuyela kuphi? Ibuyela receiving underneath.
Yes.
Which means usmart nangoku-receive uyazi ukuthi kumele ngireceive la kumele ngingareceive la. Understand? Size kwi-tactical development. I-tactical development icover yini? Icover i-position okanye i-positioning ye-player. Positioning yakhe njani? I-top kakhulu. Remember under lama-tip ayi-forward ngitshela wona ukuthi kumele ube nawo as a footballer to be more effective. Leyo kugcina ngitheni? Be aware of your surroundings. Which means lo nto ikhuluma kwi-positioning. Tactically i-positioning yakhe njani? I-grand. Siphinde futhi kwi-tactically sibheka ini? Si-checka i-vision. I-vision on the ball. uSlep emephethe ibhola always usuke na something ayibonayo afuna ukuyenza. I-opponent ayimthole ekheqwa ibhola enyaweni. Ngalesikhathi ibhola eli-receiver already usuke senayo i-vision ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Si-check i-knowledge and i-understanding of i-game. I-top kakhulu because uyakhona ukushaya ama-movement of the ball zonke lezo zinto. I-tactical development leyo. Sibuyele kwi-physical development. I-physical development ikhuluma ngani Sithibo? Ikhuluma nge-strength, ikhuluma nge-power, ikhuluma nge-endurance, ikhuluma nge-agility, ne? Remember this boy, I think igame yakhe is-3 le. But for yena ukuthi eqala igame aze ayiqede kungenambatha kungenamakhawula, itshela ngani? Itshela nge-endurance yakhe. Itshela nge-strength anaso, ne? Itshela nange-power anayo. Physically he is strong. Size kwi-psychological development yakhe. Under i-psychological development si-checka ini Sithibo? Si-checka i-mental fitness. Akusinoma ubani ongafika kuleya age edlalela i-Pirates, which means mental unjani? Strong.
Very strong.
Si-check i-passion. Unayo i-passion. Si-check i-attitude. I-attitude yakhe njani? I-positive, i-grand Sithibo. Which means this boy development yakhe njani? I-proper. Yes, ama-mistake ube nawo today, even previous game. But if ngichecka lezi zinto lezi, it shows ukuthi development yakhe njani? I-proper Sithibo. And then ngibuyisela kuphi ke Sithibo sengivala? Ngibuyisela ekuthenini ama-team awabhilivele ey'ntwaneni ey'ncane Sithibo. Why ngisho so? Check i-Pirates ukuthi zinganani iy'ntwana ey'dlalayo ey'ncane ne? Ziningi.
Spy.
check-a ama-results alento ukuthi kudlaliswa iy'ntwana ey'ncane. Under 17 national team siqualifyile for i-World Cup. Under 20 already siqualifyile for again i-World Cup. Siyadlala kusasa i-final versus I think i-Morocco under 20. Ibafana bafana ikwi-position yokuthi qualify na for i-World Cup. Yonke lento ibuya phi Sithibo? If under 17 uzokhona ukuqualify for i-World Cup, under 20 uqualify for i-World Cup. Isho ukuthini lonto for ibafana bafana? I-future njani? I-bright i-future. And i-future ukuze ibe bright, ama-team siyadinga ukuthi edlalise lezi ntwana ey'ncane. Ingakho nami interview yami today ngithatha 10 minutes ngicover bani uSleb. It shows ukuthi ama-development structures is akwi-direction enjani. Yetho. Thank you.
Ay Meneer ngiyabonga Meneer.